What's up, guys, and welcome back to Odin Driven. I'm Matt. I'm inside of Sleipnir right now, and today we need to get an oil change and we need to wash a car. So before we get into the official part of the video, excuse me, I'm being safe and dangerous at the same time, but I'm looking both ways and I'm keeping my eye on the road. So before we get into the video, please, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Like the video right now if you like what I'm saying. If you don't like what I'm saying, either get off the video or like stick around until it gets better. Make sure that at any point throughout this video, if you feel like you like the channel, if you feel like you like the video, if you're just feeling good today, hit that like button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know what you like about the channel, what you don't like. Good, bad, indifferent, it doesn't matter to me. It's all good for the channel. Thank you very much. So, first things first, oil change. So I'm at that point. I think I got like 16% oil quality on the dash, so got to take it in. But I don't do it like some people do. So a lot of people, they take it to the dealership, man, the stealership, stealing your time and your money. You're gonna be there for all day, man, just get an oil change. Even I don't have personal experience, but I've read even the Mopar quick, they got their little quick lane and all that. Even that takes a little while. But if you're like me and you're smart, give me a second, guys. I'm just trying to get through. This is great. Look at, ladies and gentlemen, look at what is happening to these guys. What are we doing? We got this one doing whatever. You got this person who could have just turned a little wider to get behind, or just don't even go at all. Find something else. That's a nice little Corvette right there. Little Pontiac Trans Am. I thought it was a Corvette. I messed that one up. I'm sorry. So anyways, guys, I don't go to the dealership. The dealership takes too long. You know, I don't feel like paying top dollar for bottom quality service. Again, I'm generalizing here, and I'm kind of just hating on the dealership. I take mine to good old Valvoline. You know, you're in, 15 minutes later you're out. I don't even got to get out of the car, nothing. Easy work, man, easy work. I appreciate them. Every time I've gone, it's been the last 3 or 4 times. They take care of me, they're cool. So they've earned my business, and we're gonna take it back over there. And I think it comes out to, I don't know, somewhere in the range of $100, you know, $100 for full synthetic. And yeah, man, so we're gonna go ahead and take care of this. I know some of you guys out there, y'all questioning, you say this, why don't you just do your own oil change? That's a very valid question, man. It's a very valid question. Only I don't have a driveway, and we're not allowed to work on our car in the parking lot of my apartment complex. And I'm not trying to put it up on ramps or put it up on the whoojamacallits. I can't think right now, man. I'm tired. I was up late last night. But I'm not trying to do all that in the middle of the street, man. So until I got my own place and I got a spot to do the oil change, I'll do it there. But otherwise, man, I'm going to stimulate the economy, man, as the coronavirus going on. I'm just trying to stimulate the economy. So anyways, guys, I'm pulling up right now. I'm going to go ahead and take care of this, and then once we are done, we will be back. By the way, shout out to the San Diego Padres, doing great things. They had a terrible loss last night in a horrible series in Colorado, but all in all, can't be too mad, man. It's an exciting year. So, hey, if you're a Padres fan, leave a like, okay? If you're not a Padres fan, I forgive you. And go ahead and leave a comment down below. Who's your favorite team, man? Who's your favorite team? You might not even like baseball. Just comment that down below. Baseball sucks. Put your favorite sports team. Put your favorite baseball team. Favorite hockey team. Favorite badminton team. Favorite soccer team. Just go ahead and leave it in the comments. We'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. Just like that, we're at 100% oil life. I think it's 5,000 miles. It depends on how you drive. They want to recommend 3,000, but not for full synthetic. Come on, man. Real cool guys in there. Always good to chat up. Good personalities. So I really enjoy going to, to at least the Valvoline over here in the Mesa. I would show you where that riot is. But this big Cox van is in the way, so I can't really do that. But the riot was literally like the La Mesa riots at the police station were literally like a half-mile down. I might be able to show you guys when I start driving. That was nuts, man. It was absolutely nuts what happened that day. I was so scared. And my buddy actually lives like right down the road from here, so he was even closer. But anyways, now that we took care of our oil. Oh, look at this guy. What the fuck? No way. Oh, you go, man. Anyways, now that we took care of our getting our oil changed, we're gonna go get a car wash, and then we're gonna call it a day, man. You know, it's one of those days you gotta give the lady some love. So I'm gonna you know what? I'm gonna leave it where we're driving around, man. You guys get to see a little bit of San Diego, what we got to offer over here, and then we'll get to the little car wash spot, Happy Cow, and we'll call it good. There she blows. Favorite car wash in San Diego thus far, man. Happy Cow. And just like that, guys, she is clean. She is clean, mean, and ready to get back on the streets. So I go through the self-wash. Not a big fan of going into the car wash with all the little spinny rubber things smacking on the paint and whatnot. No, I don't use the cleaning brush, but it does a pretty good job, man. The biggest hurdle, and always will be, it's all that brake dust. I mean, that car wash is no match for those Brembo brakes and what they do. Look at that, man. The gold looks good. We get down here and look at all that brake dust. But hey, man, you live and learn. Also, I do a little, I air dry it. I get on the road wet, and I fly down the freeway. Let nature do its course. But yeah, it's not perfect, man. And as soon as you get back on the road, of course, little birds like, hey, that car's clean, and then poop, they get you. So that's life, man. But boy, does she look good. So anyways, guys, that's it, man. That's the video today. You know, nothing too special, nothing too exciting. We're just out here living life. Again, go Padres. We got a game tonight. Let's try to take the series on those Dodgers. I'm thinking another video down the road, probably in the next 2 or 3 weeks. I'm gonna hit you guys with a video on how I actually wash the car, so you can see it and not just hear about it and see the result. So we'll get that going sometime. I wish you guys the best, man. You know, stay alive, stay safe out there. All this craziness. It's an election year. Election years always seem to be, you know, the weird ones. But we're doing our thing, man. You guys are great. Thank you for following. Thank you for listening. Thank you for liking. If you already liked it, thank you. If you haven't liked it and you made it this far, just hit the like. If you're feeling good, hit the like. If you're not feeling good, hit the like. It's all good, man. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the wash. Let me know what you think about the car. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Take it easy.